Hi kids. I hope you're doing good at home. So please take a look this video. It will help you a little bit to do this exercise right here in your English book. So I need you to go in your English book on page 147. Okay, before we start, I'm going to show you a short video about breakfast. Okay, take a look this video.
Happy to learn.
Okay kids, so thank you very much. I hope you learned something on this. And then let's read with me. Repeat after me, please. The continental breakfast includes. What is this? It's a country, so their breakfast is bread, jam, fruit, coffee, and juice. Okay. And the American breakfast includes pancakes, eggs, and bacon. And the English breakfast includes bacon, sausage, baked beans, fried eggs, fried tomatoes, fried mushrooms, and bread. Okay, so what are you gonna do in this part? I need you to draw. What do you like to have for breakfast? Draw it on the plate. What are you gonna do? You're gonna draw your breakfast, okay? Remember the video? It will show you different breakfasts. So what is your favorite? What is your special breakfast? So draw it right here and paint it beautiful. Use your pencil colors, please. Okay, thank you very much. So we're gonna go on the next page. What are we gonna do in this page? What is this one? What do you want for breakfast? See? Okay, repeat with me. We're gonna look this one. Take a look. We're going to learn a little bit about want. So repeat with me. Want. You see this name? Anna wants to eat pancakes. Remember, I'm gonna explain this a little bit. Anna wants. You see the S, the difference? Wants. And when we're talking about him, her, and it, we add S of this verb. Want. Wants. So we say wants. Okay? And Nick wants. Why is Nick wants? Because we're talking about him. And take a look this one. Nick and Anna, we're talking about two people. So two people, no S at the end. No S, okay? Nick and Anna wants to drink juice. Mom and dad, we're talking about two people. So that's why we don't add S. Only singular people, he or she and it, we add S of this verb, okay? And in groups, see this one right here? Remember to ask, what do you want for breakfast? Remember to answer, I want to eat. I want to drink. So what are you going to do in this page? So see this word? We call this word bank because many words with pictures. So take a look. Repeat with me. Eggs, pancakes, bacon, bread, juice, milk, and jam. Okay, so what are you going to do in this part? So take your pencil and you're going to use these two words, want and wants. Okay? And what are you going to do? I'm going to give you this example. Okay, take a look this one. So what are you going to do? Mom, to eat bread and jam. What are you going to use? You're going to use this. Which one? Mom? Because we're talking about my mom or your mom. Mom. So it has to be once. Okay? And you need to guess because two people, remember right here, two people, no S at the end. So find out. And what about this one? Remember, I didn't mention it like about me, about myself. So you don't need to add S. And Anna, we're talking about her, Anna. So you need to add S. So which one it is? So please do it, this activity. You need to see and do it, please. Okay, let's do this short game. So let's do it together, this short game. And you need to guess. Let's start. Okay, you see the pictures and the name of those things, okay? It is breakfast. And then, so what is this one? Take a look at this one. What do you think? You think it's bacon or egg or juice? What do you think? You need to match it up. Let's match it. So juice, I'm gonna say juice with this. Yeah, that's good. So egg, where's the egg? Egg's right here. Yeah, you're good. Good boy, good girl. Okay, so what is this one? Jam. So I think it's this. Yeah, good job. You did. Okay, let's go with the milk. Milk. So what is the milk? It's right here. You like milk in the morning? Yeah, you like milk in the morning. Okay, and what about bread? Is this bread? Yeah, so this is bread. So it goes. Yeah, good job. So pancakes. Where is the pancakes? Okay, so the pancakes, it goes to. Yeah, good job. And then, what is it? The next one. We have another one. And let's see, juice, bacon, bread, and jam. And let's see. This one it goes to here. So you score it 100 points. Yeah, good job. You did it. See, you're a good boy, good girl. Please, you need to read that one. So that's all you need to do in this page. Please repeat. See the picture and see how is it written and repeat it. It says eggs, pancakes, bacon, bread. And you can use this word in the morning with your mom. You said, Mom, I want eggs today. I want pancakes. I want bacon. I want bread. I want juice. I want milk, Mom. Mom, or I don't know how to call you mother or mom or mommy, except to you. Okay, so we're going to go very quick on the next page that you need to do on page 151. You need to do this too. Alone, please. And then what are you going to do here? Take a look this picture. Take a look this picture. What you can see it. You see girls and boys, okay? And you see those pictures. So which one? We're going to speak a little bit about activities that shows good hygiene habits and bad hygiene habits. Okay, so what are you going to do in this part? Take a look this one. Which one is correct to do it? What of this picture you think you do this one where it says she is not taking a bath? Do you like take a bath? If it's good, okay, what are you going to do? It says look at the picture, draw a mark. So you're going to put this little mark on activity that shows good hygiene. Which one is good? So take a look. You're going to put one of this and draw an X on the activities that shows bad hygiene habits. So bad hygiene habits, which one it is? So I think I'm going to give you example. So this one I think is bad. She's not washing her hands. Do you do that at home? When you play and then you want to eat something, do you wash your hands? Yeah, you need to wash your hands, okay? So this one, it's bad habits. Okay, kids? Okay, I'm going to show you a short video about hygiene.
1. Cleanliness of the body. We must keep our body clean for good health. Cleanliness prevents diseases and makes us habits for a healthy body. 1. Do not oversleep. Get up early in the morning. 2. Go to the toilet. Flush the toilet after use. Wash your hands and feet with soap. Splash cool water on your eyes. Remove the dirt from the corner of eyes. 3. Brush your teeth and cleanse your mouth well. Twice a day. Once in the morning and once at night. 4. Take a bath every day with soap and water. Wash your hair too. Girls with long hair should wash their hair at least once a week. 5. Use a clean towel to wipe your body and hair dry. Comb your hair. Always wear clean and tidy clothes. See to it that your clothes do not get dirty. Always carry a clean handkerchief. 7. Do not put your fingers in your mouth or bite your nails, as the dirt collected below the nails will enter your stomach. Then you will fall ill. Nails should be cut at least once a week. 8. Clean your ears only with a cotton bud. Do not use any sharp, pointed objects like matchsticks or hairpins to clean your ears. I hope you don't do that. No? Very good.
Alright kids, I hope you learned something today. So please take a look this video like I said and then work this activity too, okay? So what you need to do, I'm going to repeat again. X and the bad habits, and this mark the good habits, okay? So thank you very much kids and see you on the next video.